Welcome back to another episode of Who Wants to Be a Mathematician? I'm Mr. Hill, and we're continuing talking about limit definitions of tangent lines. So let's dive right into it. So if we have a function x squared minus x, and we want to find the slope of the tangent line of f at 2 comma f of 2, first we have to find our point. Our point is going to be 2, and f of 2 is going to be 2 squared, which is 4, minus 2 is 2. So 2 comma 2 is our point. So now we need to find the slope. To find the slope, we need to use the slope of our tangent line is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of our f of a plus h minus f of a all over h. Just simple limit definition plug-in. So if we have that, so the limit as h approaches 0, what is our f of a plus h? Well, that is a plus h squared minus a plus h minus a squared minus a all over h. And then we just keep on simplifying the limit as h approaches 0. If we factor this out, we get a squared plus 2ah plus h squared minus a minus h minus a squared plus a all over h. And we notice some things cancel out. We have a positive 2a and negative 2a squared. We have positive a, negative a. And that looks to be about it. So if we simplify that down, we have 2ah plus h squared minus h all over h. And if we divide by h, we can take one out of each term. We have limit as h approaches 0 of 2a plus h minus 1. And then we let h go to 0. So we're left with 2a minus 1 minus 1. So that is equal to the slope. This is a slope of our tangent line of that graph. So now we need to figure out what is the slope at that point. So if we come back to a graph, figure out what's going on, and we have our x squared minus x graph, and we're looking at the point 2 comma 2. So we're like 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 comma 2. What is the tangent line, slope of that tangent line at that point? Well, the slope of the tangent line at that point is 2a minus 1. However, we need to plug in what our a value is. And our a value is just going to be the value that's right there. And what's that? That's 2. So the slope of our tangent line, slope, is equal to 2 times 2 minus 1 is equal to 3. So the slope of our tangent line at 2 comma 2 is equal to 3. So now if we want to find the equation of the line, we have a point, we have a slope. So if we do y minus y, which is 2, is equal to our slope times our x minus our x, which is 2, we have found the equation of a tangent line at 2 comma 2. And that's about all we're doing.